In our fully automated foundry, we use high-pressure molding technology to produce molds with impressive speed and precision, handling casting weights from small to large pieces, all while maintaining strict tolerances. For core making, we rely on a highly automated setup with precise dosing and baking ovens, creating cores that meet stringent specifications for every cast. Our melting department features induction furnaces with precise control, producing high-quality ductile iron through carefully timed pouring processes. Using our specialized monorail ladle system, we ensure each core is consistent, contributing to the durability and quality of the final product. Our machining capabilities are extensive, with a range of CNC and VMC machines to handle complex geometries and meet exact specifications. To maintain precision, we employ a full suite of testing and measurement tools, including advanced CMM machines and roughness testers, ensuring each component aligns with rigorous quality standards. At Source Machining Specialties, we deliver precision casting solutions tailored to your needs. Contact us today to see how we can support your business.